Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Mom in Practice. As you can see, this is boiled chana dal with some spices. It is very important in iftar, especially for Hyderabadis. So guys, let's prepare this. Take about a cup of Bengal gram or split chickpeas or chana dal. Add some water. Wash it very well. Then add about 2 glasses of water in it and soak it for about 1 to 2 hours. It's been 2 hours of soaking. Now let's transfer into a vessel and start boiling it. Keep checking while boiling during intervals. It forms like a foam, just take it off. Give a mix during boiling. Now the chana dal is completely boiled. There is some remaining water in it. Just drain it and take it into a bowl. Now let's season it with some salt as per your taste. Add a teaspoonful of black pepper powder. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Finely chopped mint leaves. And finely chopped green chilies. It's up to you, the green chilies, how spicy you eat. Now, finally, squeeze half a lemon. Now give a good mix. This is it. It tastes so great. Give it a try if you haven't tried this, and do prepare during the iftars. It is very healthy and very simple. So guys, hope you like this delicious recipe. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. Be healthy, be happy, be safe, and thanks for watching.